Good morning, children. How are you? Yes, I am also fine. So now we are going to explore some new topics in these line and angles. What are those topics? Previously we have studied about complementary angles and some and supplementary angles. Now we'll discuss about some new things. What are those new things? Just see this. Linear pair. We are today going to discuss about linear pair. Then what is linear pair? You may think, what is a linear pair? So linear pair is that there should be a straight line. See here, this is a straight line here. On that this angle has been made. If that sum of these two angles, these are adjacent angles, if this term is 180 degree, so they are called linear pair. It is given here also, linear pair are two adjacent angles that create a line. So always remember, if there is a straight line there and one ray is standing on this like this, on this straight line, this ray is standing here, so that sum is 180. If 180, then it is like a linear pair. Now not necessary that there should be only one ray. See here in this figure, from same initial point, many rays, this angle has been here, this angle is also here, this angle is also here, this angle is also here, this also, and here is this angle also. If this all sums to 180 degree, this is also a linear pair, but condition is that the starting point should be the same for all these rays. Okay, this should be the starting point. Then this is a straight line. And this is called our linear pair also. Okay, so this is what we have to study today in our class. Okay, this will study in this here also we can see that these are the line M and N. Okay, see here. So in that, suppose I am taking this line, see, on line N, it is given there, na? On line N, we can say that in this figure 1 and 2 are linear pair, 1 and 2 are linear pair, or you can say 1 and 4 are linear pair, or you can say 2 and 3 are linear pair, or you can say 3 and 4 are linear pair. So see how many linear pairs can be formed on a line. So this is the list here. Likewise on line M also I have written, you can find either it is a parallel or non-parallel. It is a parallel or non-parallel, doesn't matter. If I am discussing about linear pair, there should be a straight line here, there should be a ray here, and then adjacent angle sums to 180 degrees. So this is called linear pair, and on this in this class today we'll discuss on this topic only. So I have made one video there, I think you should watch that. Here is that video here. In this video we will discuss about linear pair. Okay, so let me write the question first. Question is saying that one figure is given here. Okay, I will draw that figure. Angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. See class, when you are going to solve a question, don't directly start solving. Read that question 2 times, 3 times nicely, because hints will be given in the question. If you skip of you could not see any hint of that question, it will not be solved. Okay, for that reason, so they are saying that angle PQR is equal to PQR is equal to angle PRQ. That means the internal angles of triangle PQR are equal, these base angles. These are called the base angles. We have to prove that these exterior angles are then also equal. Okay, obviously we are going to use our linear pair because this is a straight line. So we will use our linear pair concept. What was that? No need to explain also, because see, this is a straight line here, this is one ray, this is the second ray. Yes, they are meeting but outside the line, so no problem, but they are standing on the same line there, so we have a chances of two linear pairs. Why? Because this is the R is one initial point, Q is one initial point, so here there is a probability of, there is a chances of two linear pairs along R also, along Q also, the series. So what I will do, I will just first of all write the informations. Okay, that is angle PQR is equal, PQR is equal to PRQ. So we can say linear pair, from this linear pair we can say PQS and PQR is equal to 180 degree. Similarly at R, at point R, we can say angle PRQ plus angle PRT, that is also equal to 180 degree because of linear pair. Because of that linear pair. Okay, now what? Simple calculation. After that we have to prove them equal. So that means these two are equal because the sum is 180 degree. So I can write that PQS plus PQR is equal to PRQ plus PRT. Why? Because the sum is equal to 180 degree, and the biggest hint is given in the question that angle PQR is equal to PRQ. It is already given in the question there. So I think now you will come to know what we are going to do here. Given is angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. So here in this last line, these two angles will get cancelled. Why? Because they are equal only. So now we proved angle PQR is equal to angle PRT. So what I did here, I had a little information about linear pair and I used it on a very vast scale. I used it to solve this question. I had a knowledge of that linear pairs, that's why I could solve this. So you also read nicely at your home and practice these questions. Now see one next questions what I have done. In that next question is there vertically opposite angles are coming here. In this time it is coming here vertically opposite. They are saying that the bisectors of the pair of vertically opposite angles are in the same straight line. Straight line means there should be 1, 2 or 3 whatever angle will be there, but their sum will be 180 degree. On a straight line, if that ray standing, we have seen that in that slide here, see, in this slide we have seen, if this is a straight line, the sum of all the angles, either this two angles or more than two angles, sum should be 180 degree, then it will become GA. The GA is the straight line. Why? Because the sum of all this is equal to 180 degree. So now that concept we are going to use here. See this. So what I will do first, okay, first I will draw the figure because that is very important. In geometry every question needs a figure and you have to draw also. You have to draw also. Here is these lines. Okay, this is the intersection point. O is the intersection point of these lines. One line is AB, this is PQ, and this is RT. So PQ and RT are bisecting each other. So vertically opposite angles are angle POR and angle TOQ. In the first class only I have explained what is vertically opposite angles. In my previous video also I have explained what is the vertically opposite angles. So I will use that one. So angle POR is equal to angle TOQ. Vertically opposite angles, very correct. Now we have to prove that AB is the straight line. That means on that AB, whatever rays are standing, those angles formed by these rays should be 180 degree. So this is my concept, this is my idea that I need to apply here. I will apply also. So just see this. What is given? It is given that OA and OB are the angle bisectors. Okay, and in that OB bisects angle POR. OB bisects angle POR. That means this angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Okay, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. I've explained everything in the previous videos. What is angle bisect and this all. OA bisects angle TOQ. That means this time angle 3 is equal to angle 4. And this angle POT is equal to POQ because vertically opposite angles. So this is angle 5 and this is angle 6. These are the vertically opposite angles. Okay, that is the vertically opposite angles. So we can say that VOE will be confusing there. That's why I'm writing the full form here. Okay, vertically opposite angles. Okay, now what I will do, I have to prove that AB is straight line. So that means angle 1 plus angle 5 plus angle 3. See what we need to prove here. We just need to prove here that angle 1 plus angle 5 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree, or angle 2 plus angle 6 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. Either I prove this 153 or 264. These angles sums to 180 degree. Then okay, it is equal straight line. So I see this will be my next step in this question. So I will establish a relationship between these two. Okay, O is that point here. Okay, and we angle 1 plus 5 180 degree. Similarly 264 is also equal to 1 degree because of that linear pair. Now when these two all angles will be added, these all angles will be added, this is equal to 360 degree, and we know that around a point the total sum should be 180 degree. We have used this concept and now we are going to prove this. See, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 given, angle 5 is equal to angle 6 given, and angle 3 is equal to angle 4 given. So 2 times they can be written here. So 2 times of angle 1 plus 2 times of angle 5 plus 2 times of angle 3 is equal to 360 degree. Okay, so that means angle 1 plus angle 5 plus angle 3. Okay, angle 1 plus angle, this is not angle 2, this is angle 5 actually. So angle 1 plus angle 5 plus angle 3 is equal to 180, 360 by 2, that is equal to 180 degree. That is equal to 180 degree. So this is what we have learned today, and this is what we have proved also, because this angle 153 is equal to 180 degree. So AB is a straight line. AB is a straight line. Okay, this is what we had to prove. 1 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 180, linear pair. 2 plus 6 plus 4 is equal to linear pair. So this we proved. So hence AB is a straight line. Okay, class, today we learned about that linear pair. In that next class we'll learn some new topics there. Be ready. Till then, all of you practice these questions at your home. If you face any problem, see these videos. This is very useful. Okay, and it has been sent by the school there. So schools is always helping you. You should take that help from the school and improve your studies. Till then, in the next class, whatever you will learn, we'll see. And all of you just take care. Thank you, class. Thank you very much.